eyeglasses. Ma'am, ako dito. Kahit hindi siya kahit saan. Okay lang. Ayan, okay. Silang tatlo lang ang nag-switch ng place kasi sila na. Okay na. Alright. Let's proceed to the first one. Switch places if the Wi-Fi LAN outside is still, the server and Wi-Fi LAN are still operating. They're still functional. It doesn't matter kung mabilis o mabagal. Basta gumagana pa. Okay. So lahat po nagpalit. So it means it's still working. Alright. So let's say now, if you're going to rate the efficiency of the Wi-Fi LAN, 3 being the highest, what would you give? So bigyan nyo ng grade, yung efficiency niya. 1 to 3. Oh, isip muna kayo. Sige, you can think of your own grade based on your experience and then I'll ask. So we can have like a common answer. So think muna.
1.
Okay, 1. Sino may iba bang answer bukod sa 1? 2. Okay. The rest, 1. Alright, 1. So, I gather mabagal siya. Okay. Si ma'am, 2 ang sagot. Okay. Bakit po? Reg na. Okay. Bakit 2 ang binigay mo?
Kasi ma'am, yung 1 na yung bigla ko na 1 is mabagal siya din sa akin.
Pero 2 binigay mo. Bakit?
Di ba kayo yung halos?
Oo. Ito nasa gitna eh. So, ibig sabihin na nakaka-download ka. Okay.
Nakaka-download ako, pero minsan, loading,
Okay.
tapos yung server is
Program. So, when you say loading, mga gano'ng katagal yung, ilang minutes yung pinakamatagal yung tinry mo load? With your students ba to? O ikaw lang?
sa mga bata.
Sa mga bata, o sige. Ilang minutes? Ilan? 10 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes.
Ako sabay-sabay sila na.
Ilan yung sabay-sabay? Ilan?
Like,
Ilang
grade 8,
students?
grade
Ah,
9.
so, dami. Mga 50, ganyan. Yung mga nag-2, ay, yung mga nag-1, do you agree, parang ganun di ba yung experience nyo? Mabagal kapag sabay-sabay na yung mga, kahit isang klase lang. Sila ba ay nag-download sa labas?
Oo,
Sa labas. Hindi sa loob, okay. So, kahit isang klase lang mabagal. Okay. Alright, sige. We're noting that, no, Shay? Next. Switch places if all of you were issued a tablet that came from the EdTech Solutions Project. Or if you were given. Okay, so lahat po may tablet. Gumagana pa po yung tablet ninyo?
Yes.
Okay, walang defective. Okay, sige. Switch places if all of your students have EdTech Solutions tablet. Your students, yes. Switch places if your students were issued an EdTech tablet. Issued, yeah, nabigyan sila. It doesn't matter kung damage or defect, basta nabigyan. Okay, so lahat nag-switch. Si Ma'am Reg din kaya?
Mayroon siya ba?
Ma'am Reg, yung mga students mo ba merong nabigyan ng tablets? Yes. Okay. Okay. Switch places if the students bring home the tablets every day, Monday to Saturday.
Change currently.
Just this week, ma'am, we decided to just leave the tablet in the school.
Sir, again.
Just this week, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yeah.
so the previous weeks they bring it every day at
Yes.
home, and then this week,
We decided to just keep it here.
okay. So when do they take it out?
Whenever they need it. For example, the teacher will need a tablet, then they will get the tablet, then
Okay. So when the teacher, when they will use it with the teacher.
Yes.
May I ask what was the reason for the change in that?
the very first reason was they have downloaded pornographic videos. Another is sometimes some of the students did not bring their tablets.
Hindi iwan sa
Yes.
bahay.
Then another is yes, instead of doing activities at home, they just play. Then the parents are complaining about.
Alright, so that's why you just, so it's here in the IT lab room. Alright, switch places if during the Q1, Q2, there's a small gap in between, right? Parang may short break bago mag Okay, during that time, did they bring home the tablets?
Yes.
Switch places. Okay. Alright, lahat. Oo, kasi yung new routine niyo nag-start lang this week. Okay. Paano yun nalaman na may mga undesirable materials?
Ma'am, one of the parents notified me that I have to check the tablet of that student because that student was having that pornographic video. So I went immediately to that classroom, but then during that time she was the teacher handling the software. So I asked permission from the teacher, and then I got the tablet together with the student. I let him open because there are passwords on the tablet, then shared it.
So dapat wala, di ba?
In-installan niya.
Yes.
Then the student was trying to share the video.
Okay. Share it. Through share it. At least ginagamit niya yung app niya. Ay, sabi niya gamitin mo. Hindi, joke lang. Mali lang yung way of him ba or her?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Sige. Next, switch places if you have a Moodle account, if you're enrolled as a teacher in the Moodle courses. For Q2. Q2 for quarter 2. If you, enrolled ba kayo as teachers for quarter 2? Okay. Switch places if your students are enrolled as students in the quarter 2. Okay. Yes, that's enough. I'm trying. Switch places if your students come to school with their tablets already charged. No, okay. So, what's your provision? Paano they come to school before you started collecting them? Anong nangyari mo? At iba naman, sino gusto magsalita? Lourdes, anong provision nyo before? Kasi ngayon, hindi na inuwi yung tablet, diba? But before, the weeks prior to that, if they don't come in na naka-charge yung tablet, anong ginagawa ninyo?
We let them charge instead of us.
Okay, so dito na lang sila nag-charge. Switch places if switch places if there are tablets in your class that are defective. Okay, sandali lang. Defective meaning the problem is internal. So hindi siya nag-turn on or off. There's a problem in the operating system. Hindi po ito yung mga nabagsak or nabasa or nahigaan.
May meron, ma'am.
Defective. Oh, sige, go. Gusto ko makita. Switch places if you have students with defective tablets. Ma'am, ano pong type of defect? Or ilan na alala mo ba sa class mo?
Hindi ko siya nabuon.
Hindi nagoon. Ilan yung hindi nagoon sa'yo sa class mo? So, hindi nagoon. Nag-off. Siyempre, hindi. Kasi hindi ka nagoon eh. Malay mo, bigla na lang nagoon. May ghost pala sa loob. Sino ba yung nag-switch plates? Kayo, ma'am?
Meron po isa.
Anong defect niya?
Hindi ko na kasi nakita yung tablet. Iniwan kasi sa mga.
Ay, paano po natin nasabi na
Sabi ko
defective?
na bata.
So, nasa yung tablet?
Nasa
Under Ma'am Reg.
Ma'am Reggie.
Yes.
Mas Ma'am Reggie yung makasalubong.
Oh, sige. Okay. Meron pang nag-switch plates? Or
Yes,
ano?
ma'am.
Ano pong...
Okay, from the time that the tablet was given to the student, it was okay.
Mm-mm.
But after a week, there was a complaint about Yes, ma'am, that's the problem. Hindi nag-on.
Hmm.
So, a week after, Mabrans was able to replace the tablet with another one. So he just kept the old tablet in a position for safekeeping. So others ma'am are the problem siguro is was damage brought by negligence.
Okay. So, hindi siya defective. Sige.
Pero there was one, I guess. There was one or two.
Na defective
Yes.
talaga, yung button.
Or it will not operate. May samam na mag-turn on pero it will not operate since touchscreen yung di ba ma'am? So it will not answer or follow
Be
that
responsive.
command.
Hindi naman crack yung
Hindi
screen.
naman ma'am.
Yung hindi nag-on, nag-charge po ba siya?
Kasi dyan ako po, naliman sa bahay, masira daw yung screen. Sabi mo na bata, masira yung screen.
Okay, damage po siya. Eh, yun nga po, yung hindi nag-on, nag-charge po ba siya? Andito pa po ba yung tablet na defective o na-send na sa supplier?
Nandito sir.
Parang hindi pa sila nakatanggap ng call, sir. There are two IT which the addict has difficulty in contacting.
Yes po, wala po signal dito.
Kung gano'n, wala.
Yung tatlo,
Wala,
ito.
dalawa. Si Ma'am Grace at
Pwede
si...
ko makita.
Ma'am Grace, tawag na kasi ka?
Yung
Yung damage, ma'am.
Okay, sige. So, Reg and Mark will sort out.
Damage. Kapatid ko,
Yun daw hindi nag-on.
Yung defective.
Ay, yung ano, parang hindi yung office.
Hindi po po.
Hindi nang on ma'am.
Effective lang.
Okay. Okay, so defective. Switch places if you have students with damaged tablets. Ito na yung mga nabagsak, na naulanan, di ba, nabasa, nahigaan. So, dalawa lang. Anong,
Grade 9 ma'am.
grade 9, anong, mga, do you have an estimate around how many?
Isa lang po.
Isa lang. Anong damage?
Diyan lang.
Sir.
Dalawa.
Dalawa. Anong damage? What type of damage?
Na ano daw yung screen, ma'am? Nabasa.
Nabasa yung screen. Pareho sila.
Pero ko lang
Yes.
pwede.
Yes ma'am.
Sa'yo, kayo po, sir.
Yes ma'am.
Year 9 pareho, no?
Ano ma'am, sa teacher na ako mag-isip yung advisor. Pero alam ko yung damage.
Ah,
kasi-
sa'yo
yes.
na gamit.
Kasi yung ano ma'am, yung parent ng isa, dito na malapit sa akin. So, nire-refer ko siya kay ma'am Rex.
So, out of, so far yun lang yung damage. Wala na
Meron
iba.
pa, meron
Meron
pa
na
ma'am.
sa grade 7.
Agree sa si
Si Kim.
Tino.
Kim
May
Daily.
grade sa una.
Sa grade 7, ma'am. Si Kim Daily.
Meron pa ulit. Parang
Si
function
Gio.
namin ma'am.
Ah, marami.
Si
Kasi
Gio.
wala masyadong nag-switch bases.
Kasi wala po yung advice
Wala
sa
silang-
grade 7.
wala silang-
Ah,
That's
okay.
it.
So, hindi alam ng subject teacher kung sino yung gamit. Taas ang registry.
Pero nandito yung mga advisor sa grade 7.
Sige. We have to- Is the asset registry updated?
Yes.
Yes, no. Nandun na makikita namin yung lahat ng damage. Okay. Alright.
Bigyan natin yung mga defective. Tapos, send nyo sa akin. Kayo mag-send sa akin. Tapos sa akin.
Alright, thank you very much. We go back to your seats.
Sila yung huli nga rin. Ito mo sila yung
Pwede pag
Okay, so those are very helpful information for us, no? So Mark, while Mark is here, we're going to have a look at the defective tablets. Bago natin bago kunin ni supplier para ma-check na natin kung defective ba siya or damage, no?
Ma'am, may I have one question.
Yes, sir.
Okay. As of this school year, ma'am, we have excess tablets, meaning we have tablets which are free. So what are we going to do with the students, tablets of the students? Are we going to replace it, the damaged tablets?
How many extra tablets do you have?
Right.
Siya.
Extra tablets.
Excess?
Extra.
Extra?
Then, temporarily, what we did is, we just let the student use mobile phone.
Okay, yeah, so that's like a
Only
parang interim solution. No? But in this other schools we visited yesterday, they gave
Another tablet.
the excess tablets to the students with defective.
Ano ma'am?
With the defective tablets, not the damage.
So,
Oh, 9.
so just in case, if the damage is done,
Parang ganito. Kasi papalitan pa rin, pag yung mga defective niyo, papalitan ni supplier yun eh. Aayusin nila yun. So, i-surrender pa rin natin para makabalik. Pero ngayon, dapat ang i-priority, kung ibibigay niyo yung excess 9 tablets, dapat dun sa may defective. Okay? Now, when the new tablets come in, new meaning yung galing sa supplier, diba, comes in, yun, pwede nyo siyang ibigay dun sa nakadamage. You see my train of thought? Parang i-prioritize yung defect na may student na may defective. Kasi hindi naman nila sinira yung
pero yung ano ba, halimbawa, nabasag dahil ano na,
damage yun eh.
o hindi talaga
So,
wala replacement na.
wala pong, hindi po part ng agreement to replace the damaged tablets. Pero yun nga,